In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off comments on LinkedIn post. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can control the conversation on a specific post without changing anything else about your profile or audience. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type LinkedIn, then press Enter. From the search results, click the official LinkedIn website. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that first so you can access your profile and posts. Once you're on LinkedIn, look at the top of the page for the Me option. It's usually your profile photo with a small drop-down arrow. Click that, and in the menu that appears, choose View Profile. This takes you to your profile page, where all your recent activity and posts are gathered. Scroll down until you see the Activity section. This is where LinkedIn shows your latest posts, articles, and interactions. Find the specific post where you want to turn off comments. If you don't see it right away, you can expand the activity area or open the post so it's displayed on its own page, which makes the next steps easier to see. On that post, look for the three dots, sometimes called the ellipsis menu, typically in the upper right corner of the post frame. Click those three dots to open the post options. From the menu, select Who can comment on this post? This opens a small panel with a few choices that control who's allowed to comment. Choose the option labeled No One. This setting prevents new comments from being added to the post, helping you keep the focus on the content itself. After selecting No One, click Save to confirm your choice. Your change takes effect right away. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. This setting applies only to the post you edited, so it won't affect any of your other posts. If you change your mind later, return to the same three-dot menu on that post, open Who can comment on this post, and choose a different option to allow comments again. Also, the exact placement of buttons can shift slightly with LinkedIn updates, but the wording and location in the three-dot menu stay consistent. If you're using the mobile app, you'll follow the same idea. Open your post, tap the three dots, select Who can comment on this post, pick No One, and save. That's it. You've successfully turned off comments on a LinkedIn post, giving you precise control over engagement when you need it.